Hello and welcome to my class, which I title The Best SEO Tips You Will Ever Get and How to Do It. The funny thing about this class title is that it is not just me trying to sell you on something to get you to join a class that I've created. This is something all serious online SEO authorities, internet marketers, and webmasters know they absolutely have to do in order to have a shot at getting their web pages to page 1 of the Google and Bing search engines. And this comes in way ahead of building good meta tags, keyword phrases, descriptions, etc. There are only a few tips in here that I will be discussing and drilling down on to show you step by step how to do them. To implement these tips, you will have to work with Google and Bing themselves. They want you to do this and they reward you for it. I'm just raising your awareness about it and showing you how to get the job done. This is something everyone building a business online needs to know. There's just a few simple things to do, and not doing it will cost you money in your business, maybe even big money. And these are things you will have to remember to do regularly for as long as you are trying to generate sales online from a website. So sign up, learn, get this done, and you will be the better for it. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Bye for now.